Hi there, today our team at Verde Salon is going to be showing you 3 easy styles for curly hair. To style your naturally curly hair, I like to start with the Nutriplenish Daily Moisturizing Treatment. So you want to put about a dime to a quarter size in the palm of your hand, really work it in, and then rub it through your mids and your ends. You want to make sure you're really saturating the product as well. You can also decide if you want to comb through your hair as well. You don't necessarily have to. I like to just make sure the product's completely dispersed through my hair. And if you're combing, you want to make sure you're using a wide tooth comb. And then next I go in with the Nutriplenish Curl Gelée. This product, a little goes a long way, so I like to section my hair off into 2 sections. Use a quarter to a loonie size amount again. Really work it into your hands. It's almost going to foam up. You'll be able to hear it. And then run it through with your fingers. Just rake it through the hair. Start at the ends and work your way up to the top. Same with on the other side. And then to clump your curls together, I like to take a little bit in my hands and sandwich the ends of my curls together. You don't have to use a lot of tension, just work it through. And then after you're finished with that, I like to scrunch up my curls. And you want to make sure you're scrunching all the way up to the root as well. Same with at the back, all the way up to the crown. And then I just like to take a couple pumps of the oil as well. And then just kind of scrunch that into the ends just to help with frizz control. And this is what your hair looks like once it's dry. You can then go in with a little bit of our multi-use oil to reduce any frizz in your mids and ends as well. And just kind of scrunch that into your ends and your mids just to reduce frizz. To do this style, I'm going to be starting out with one of our birch scrunchies. I'm going to be pulling all of my hair back just to the crown of my head, almost like you're going to do a ponytail. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're going to take it, wrap it one time around the ponytail. They're quite secure, so I don't find like I need to do more than one wrap. Then I'll take any loose hairs and just tuck those into the pony. Pull it apart just to make it a little more volume. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the hairspray, spray it down just to get rid of any frizz and flyaways. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this half up style with pigtails. So I'm going to start out on my heavier side, grabbing a good amount of hair right behind my bang area, bringing that close to the back, right to where my head starts to round. Wrapping that a few times. And then what I like to do now is take it and just really fluff it up, make it look nice and big. You can kind of adjust it wherever you want. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Because this is my lighter side, the pigtail might be a little bit smaller, but I'm just going to pull it apart a bit more and try and even it out. If you part your hair in the middle, you'd just be doing even buns on either side. You want to push the ponytail as close to the base as possible. If you pull it apart, you can also use your fingers as well. Take your fingers, bring it close to the base. Almost creates like a back combing motion. And that'll create almost like a little pillow for your pigtails as well. And then after we've back combed, I'm going to use a little bit of our multi-use oil to remove any frizz. What I like to do with my curls is I'll just take them and do almost like a twisting motion. Same on this side. And then you can pull them apart again at the base. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out the description box below for a list of all the products.